the force of exertion and the distance covered is not directly parallel. There's an angle. Okay, how do we solve for work? It's simply work is the product of the force of exertion and the distance covered multiplied by cosine theta. There's an angle. Okay. Explaining this further, why cosine? This is the angle of exertion, angle theta. As we all know, force should be parallel, diba? Parallel with the displacement. So this is the horizontal component of the force. This one, this side. And as we all know, that this cart with blocks will move on this direction as well. Okay? That's why we'll use the cosine function. Cosine, we have the force as our hypotenuse of the right triangle and the adjacent side of the right triangle. Cosine. Okay? Not this side, the three unit side of the right triangle, because it will not be parallel. They will be perpendicular kung gagamitin natin 3-unit side of the triangle. Okay? That's the reason why we'll use FD cosine theta for work with angle of exertion. Okay? With that said, kindly answer what's in illustration or diagram B. Diagram B. 100 Newton force is applied at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal, to move a 15 kilogram object. Speed, which is constant. The horizontal distance is 5 meters. Okay, our equation. Just wanted to return the previous slide. FD cosine theta. One more minute. Okay, let's check your work. It's simply applying our equation FD cosine theta. I have received multiple chats here. And let's see if their answers are correct. I'll be flashing the answer. Work is FD cosine theta. The force exerted is 100 newtons multiplied by the distance covered cosine 30, it's 433.013. Usapan natin 3 decimal places. Okay, as simple as that. You multiply all of the given and identify the value of the cosine function or cosine angle. Okay? Now, in 1 minute, I still have 1 minute. Kindly chat your learning, or if not, the things that you have learned, something that confused you for today. Okay? I'll be giving you 1 minute to write down what you have learned. So the key terms or big ideas that you have learned for today. 1 minute. Chat your answer in the chat box. One learning here from your classmate, force and displacement or distance covered should be parallel with each other. Force and displacement should be of the same direction. If not, there will be no way. Works of force that act on an object will cause a displacement. Work is the inserted force on object causing displacement. Okay, with that, let us another two more, 3, 4, 5 joules is the unit of work, exerted amount of force, application of force causing displacement on object. Work is done when an object gets displaced. Work is